Hi everyone, this is from Parasol Paper Company and I got a nice bag for it. Owner, creator of Parasol Paper Company is in Taiwan. So the owner of Parasol Paper Co. is in Taiwan for some family things, and she asked me if we should meet up and if we could hang out, and I said of course. And then she also said, oh, her name is Jessica. She and her sister Jennifer run Parasol Paper Co. And yeah, so we've been hanging out for the past 2 days is when she came up to Taipei, and I'm kind of lost my voice a little bit, I think, because we've just been chatting so much and enjoying some cool things to do in Taipei. We went to a cat cafe. We did night market stuff. What else did we do? Took her to a glass blowing session that happens at the stationery store, Athlete Stationery Store, or the mall, and we had some fun viral donuts, a viral tofu, I guess. Yeah, it's a sweet tofu, just a traditional dish. It's called douhua in Chinese. And she asked me if I wanted anything from her site, and I grabbed a few things. And she was so nice because I was just making a list based on things that I thought were interesting, not expecting her to bring me the full list. I think it's almost the full list. So thank you so much for this. So my first stationery love is probably pens and washi tape. They're pretty equal right now, and so all of these are some of the designs that Jessica draws herself. And so I think in particular I'm just gonna open these two, and then the rest of them we can kind of see in the future. Unless you really want to see something, let me know, but I'm gonna just kind of put these away for now. I really wanted to see these, and these are meme cats. She drew all of these herself, which I think is so great. Breaking. Yeah, so Parasol Paper Company is a small shop, and they are based out of California. And so Jessica is the illustrator artist behind most of these designs, and then Jessica also is the one that I guess is running most things nowadays. Jennifer has a different kind of full-time job at an office, but they both still do a lot of vending and some creative things. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So maybe I'm not totally up to date with all of these memes or where they came from, but this little cat is stop mean to me. This one, a little tabby. I love this one. And then clearly they don't have thumbs, but these memes are so cute. Oh, this one opens, and this washi is pretty good. It's just getting it started, but it seems really easy to peel up. I don't know which one is 1 and which one is 2, but it's got a nice checkered background. All of these cats with thumbs. So that is the full loop. This one says no thoughts, head empty. This is a super buff cat. And this one's huh? Oh gosh. These are so funny. Okay, and so this is probably part of the meme cats as well. I think she might have one more rule, which I didn't get. It's a bunch of memes, not just cats. But this one is a magnetic bookmark, and it's really cute and well made. A little keychain. or it's a bubble tea. And then these are Lunar New Year die cuts. I'm pretty sure I asked for these because I have these like tiny stickers that I wanted to use for Lunar New Year. And maybe these could be nice. Also for decoration. These feel really nice. I think she produces all of these herself in-house. These are so nice. I can't believe she drew all of that herself. And this must be part 2 of the Lunar New Year die cut. The red pockets, coin, and some gold. Those are so fun. And then here are, oh, so it's at Parasol Paper Company on Instagram, and then here's the Facebook group, Parasol Paper Party. This paper is really nice. So all the meme cats are like this. I think she also makes these into like notepads. Those are cute. Ooh, I remember now. Okay, so this is all the really fun stuff. These are washi strips with this crystals. And then we've got the Chinese New Year. Let's take that away. Wow. Okay, there's a lot of Chinese New Year stuff. I'm gonna have a lot to decorate with. And these are so fun. This is a different kind of paper, but it's got like a nice overlay on top, and then there's like lots of shapes. So for example, there's a moon right here. So this one's called Night. Oh, all of these are night. All of these are? Oh, wow. I guess, yeah. But they're all like different kinds of ombre. In different, I think different shapes. This must have just been like a whole big pack. I like this one. I like these like cloud type ones. So try to decorate with those. And then some kits. So this is the more of that dust, the crystal. It's called Dusk Crystals. And I got the sheets that I thought I would use. So like some washi strips, some date covers, and then some deco, little icons, flags. That weekend script is really pretty. And then these full boxes are gorgeous. She drew all that herself. And then we've got Lunar New Year. These are the full boxes. This one is functional boxes. Now we've got the washi and dates. Oh, I think she gave me the full kit here. And small strips. Then there's a Cat Cafe journaling kit. So it's 1 and 2. So her journaling kits are really like heavy on the decoration, the deco that she drew, and the art in like washi strips. I love this one. Yeah, so that is my haul from Parasol Paper Co. It's like huge, so many things, and just like really beautiful gift. Spent a lot of time just catching up and learning a few new things about her, and then just really enjoying exploring Taipei together. We didn't go too far because she had such limited time in the city, but I thought that was fun. Hope you enjoyed. I'll leave all of her socials down below and links and shop that you can take a look at. And thanks so much for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.